There it is. It's beautiful. They are so cool. They make this really sharp sound. Oh, beautiful light. That's perfect. There's a lot of frogs in the water. Like all over the place here. It's getting really quiet now, so I'm shooting at a really slow shutter speed right now to not raise the ISO too much. But due to the really crazy good stabilization of this camera, I think shots turn out pretty good. Well, this was a short trip and a short YouTube video, but I enjoyed it, as I always do, and I'm definitely coming back very, very soon. We're closing in on the car, so I just wanted to say thank you for watching, and thank you so much for the response on my latest video. I really appreciate you guys I have soon 200 subscribers. I never thought that would be possible. And I really, really appreciate everyone that is following this channel, and if you're commenting, liking the videos, thank you so much. And we'll see each other next time. Ciao.